Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Bloody Mary from the Dead West set. She was black and white zenithally primed and I started with leather brown for her hat and chaps. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get all of that exposed skin done with a couple of coats of sunny skin tone. For her corset, I went with Noble Steed Brown as the base colour. She's wearing a yellow shirt over her corset, so to get that base coated, I went with sand yellow. Getting the remaining leather parts done, I grabbed Paladin flesh. To get started on the highlights, I used Kronos flesh to bring up all of the raised parts of her chaps and the edge of the hat. As with all my current Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. For her hair and what little you can see of her jeans, I went with Smoke Black. Highlighting up her corset, I grabbed Dry Rust Brown and went over all of the raised parts. Now to dot in her eyes and bring up the tops of the folds on her shirt, I used Pale Yellow. Adding a quick highlight to her hair and bring up the trim on her corset, I went with Medium Sea Grey. For all of the metal parts, I gave them a once over with gunmetal. Now to wash the Mini, I used Archaic Sepia wash over the entire Mini, just making sure to pick up any parts that pulled way too much. Finishing up, I add some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Bloody Mary. She's the first Zombicide Mini for a while that's actually coming in under the 20-minute mark to get painted up. They all get fairly close, but it's rarely you see one that actually gets below that lately. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this Mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.